Ang English lesson na to ay tungkol sa mga sentences na ginagamitan ng conjunction na but o pero sa Tagalog. He called me but I missed it. He called me but I missed it. Tinawagan niya ako pero hindi ko nasagot. We had a fight but we made up. We had a fight but we made up. Nag-away kami pero nagkabati rin kami. I like him but he annoys me sometimes. I like him but he annoys me sometimes. Gusto ko siya pero minsan naiinis ako sa kanya. She agreed but with conditions. She agreed but with conditions. Pumayag siya pero may kondisyon. It's easy but it's labor intensive. It's easy but it's labor intensive. Madali pero matrabaho. I heard about it but I didn't believe it. I heard about it but I didn't believe it. Nabalitaan ko pero hindi ako naniwala. He already apologized but I'm still upset. He already apologized but I'm still upset. Humingi na siya ng tawad pero galit pa rin ako. I have a car but I prefer to walk. I have a car but I prefer to walk. May kotse ako pero mas gusto kong maglakad. I woke up early but I was still late. I woke up early but I was still late. Maaga akong nagising pero nahuli pa rin ako. I like coffee but I prefer tea. I like coffee but I prefer tea. Gusto ko ang kape pero mas gusto ko ang tsaa. I was tired but I kept going. I was tired but I kept going. Pagod na ako pero itinuloy ko pa rin. I studied hard but I still failed the exam. I studied hard but I still failed the exam. Nag-aral akong mabuti pero bumagsak pa rin ako sa exam. It's expensive but it's worth it. It's expensive but it's worth it. Mahal ito pero sulit naman. I'm hungry but there's no food. I'm hungry, but there's no food. Gutom na ako pero walang pagkain. The movie was okay, but the book was better. The movie was okay, but the book was better. Okay naman yung pelikula pero mas maganda ang libro. I'm tired, but I can't sleep. I'm tired, but I can't sleep. Pagod na ako pero hindi ako makatulog. It's old, but it still works. It's old, but it still works. Luma na pero gumagana pa. I bought it, but I don't like it. I bought it, but I don't like it. Binili ko pero hindi ko gusto. He promised, but he forgot. He promised, but he forgot. Nangako siya pero nakalimutan naman niya. I cooked, but it tastes bad. I cooked, but it tastes bad. Nagluto ako pero hindi masarap. It's true, but it's hard to believe. It's true, but it's hard to believe. Totoo pero mahirap paniwalaan. I want to rest, but I have work to do. I want to rest, but I have work to do. Gusto kong magpahinga pero may trabaho pa ako. I saved money, but it wasn't enough. I saved money, but it wasn't enough. Nakaipon ako pero hindi sapat. He left, but he will come back. He left, but he will come back. Umalis siya pero babalik din yon. She's smart, but she's lazy. She's smart, but she's lazy. Matalino siya pero tamad. It's raining, but I have to go out. It's raining, but I have to go out. Umuulan pero kailangan kong lumabas. She sings well, but she can't dance. She sings well, but she can't dance. Magaling siyang kumanta pero hindi siya marunong sumayaw. I like him, but he doesn't like me. I like him, but he doesn't like me. Gusto ko siya pero hindi niya ako gusto. It's far but we can walk. It's far but we can walk. Malayo pero pwede tayong maglakad. He's rich but he's humble. He's rich but he's humble. Mayaman siya pero mapagpakumbaba siya. I want to help but I'm busy. I want to help but I'm busy. Gusto kong tumulong pero marami akong ginagawa. She smiled but she was sad. She smiled but she was sad. Ngumiti siya pero malungkot siya. It's cold but I don't have a jacket. It's cold but I don't have a jacket. Malamig pero wala akong jacket. She came but she didn't stay long. She came but she didn't stay long. Dumating siya pero hindi siya nagtagal. It's nice but I can't afford it. It's nice but I can't afford it. Maganda pero hindi ko kayang bilhin. I texted you but you didn't reply. I texted you but you didn't reply. Tinext kita pero hindi ka sumagot. I know him but not very well. I know him but not very well. Kilala ko siya pero hindi masyado. It's too sour but I like it. It's too sour but I like it. Masyadong maasim to pero gusto ko naman. It's small but it's heavy. It's small but it's heavy. Maliit pero mabigat. I read it but I didn't understand. I read it but I didn't understand. Binasa ko pero hindi ko naintindihan. I tried but nothing worked. I tried but nothing worked. Sinubukan ko pero walang nangyari. I'm ready but I'm nervous. I'm ready but I'm nervous. Handa na ako pero kinakabahan ako. She knows but she won't tell. She knows but she won't tell. Alam niya pero hindi niya sasabihin. It's dark but I'm not scared. It's dark but I'm not scared. Madilim pero hindi ako natatakot. She liked it but I didn't. She liked it but I didn't. Nagustuhan niya pero ako ayaw ko. I need it but I can't find it. I need it but I can't find it. Kailangan ko yon pero hindi ko mahanap. She spoke but no one listened. She spoke but no one listened. Nagsalita siya pero walang nakinig. I heard you but I didn't see you. I heard you but I didn't see you. Narinig kita pero hindi kita nakita. I want to go but I can't. I want to go but I can't. Gusto kong pumunta pero hindi pwede. It's difficult but I can do it. It's difficult but I can do it. Mahirap pero kaya ko.